Welcome back again to the next video where we will review the pickup report within Mews Power BI. The dashboard on the pickup report displays a pickup evolution of reservations for the past 18 months. Let's select the property Grand Hotel Amsterdam to analyze it in more detail. At the top of the screen, we can see the property's pickup performance of yesterday. The room revenue picked up, the average nightly rate, the number of bookings, and the total room nights booked. Then we can see the correlation between room revenue and the number of bookings per creation year and month for this property. For example, in November, the property picked up the most bookings and achieved the highest revenue. And during the current month, we can see the pickup dropping compared to last year. Next, the room revenue per rate displays for the same period, allowing us to visualize the rates that make up most of the room revenue at this property. And the bottom graph displays the average nightly rate picked up across every day over the past 18 months. To analyze a pickup evolution for a specific month, select the month in question, and the rates that were sold that month will display, along with the average nightly rate evolution during that month. Click on the highlighted month to remove the filter. You can also drill down and see the pickup evolution for a specific rate. And last but not least, you can drill down and see the pickup evolution details for a specific day. With the filters on the right, you can also analyze the pickup evolution by space type, business segment, reservation origin, travel agency, and by reservation status. For comparison purposes, use the reservation report in Mews Commander. For example, we will compare yesterday's pickup, which had an average nightly rate of €100.92, and 2 bookings were created. Navigate to the reservation report, set the filter to created, select the same date to analyze. Under options, we only select nights, net value, and click on the report. The average nightly rate and the 2 bookings appear. The pickup year-to-date dashboard displays the pickup evolution year-to-date and compares it with last year's pickup evolution. And it's broken down by month. The top bar chart displays the room revenue picked up during each month compared to last year, which is highlighted in blue. We can see this demo property's pickup evolution year-to-date is performing behind last year. The table below displays the pickup evolution comparison by month of room nights, room revenue, and average nightly rate with a variance to last year. If we click on the plus sign next to the month of March, for example, and click on the week number 13, during that week reservations were created on Monday, Wednesday, and Thursday, and you can analyze the pickup differences. Click on the specific weekday to view more details of the day last year and this year. Selecting a month on the bar chart will update the table below, allowing you to further analyze pickup evolution during that month compared to last year, along with the KPIs for the month displayed at the top of the screen. You can also further analyze the pickup year-to-date by using the filters on the right. Once again, use a reservation report in Mews Commander to compare the data. The pickup per month dashboard shows you, per creation month, the revenue that is generated in the consumption month. So, if we analyze one of the demo properties, on the table we can see that in January there is revenue generated for January, February, March, June, and July. February has no data for January as it is not possible to generate revenue for past dates. On the bar chart, the consumption months are displayed at the bottom, and the bars indicate how the revenue is generated over each creation month. So if we take a look at the bar of February, we can see that the revenue for this month is generated in January and February. For March, the revenue was generated in January, February, and March. The bar chart also displays the correlation between the room nights and the room revenue. The time period you analyze is based on the date creation and date consumption filters. In this example, we are analyzing all reservations created and consumed within the year. You can also further slice this analysis, for example, by reservation origin, to see the creation and consumption revenue by channel. To compare this analysis with Mews Commander, navigate to the reservations report. Select Filter Overlapping. Start and end dates should cover the whole year. Under Options, select Include Nights. Value should be net and origin is distributor. The total average nightly rate and revenue match that with Mews Power BI. The Pickup Per Week dashboard provides an analysis of the revenue generated per week and day during the time frame selected. On this screen, we can see how the revenue has been built up from reservations created in the last 3 months. Let's pretend we want to analyze how the revenue is built for the consumption month of June this year. I can either select the consumption month from the corresponding filter or directly select the consumption month of June under the consumption month section. The results display which week and day revenue is being generated for the consumption month of June. Once again, you can filter the results based on your needs and compare them if necessary with the reservations report in Mews Commander. The Bookings per Consumption Date dashboard displays new bookings per creation and consumption date during a selected period. The table on the left displays the details of new bookings per creation date, and the table on the right displays new bookings per consumption date. For example, at this property in the last 3 days, there has been a pickup of 2 new reservations created yesterday, and staying from the 9th until the 11th of July. The picked up room revenue is €302. And on the new bookings per consumption date table, we can see this revenue on the consumed dates. In Mews Commander, in the reservations report, we can see the same 2 reservations and the matching total room revenue. To conclude, the new bookings dashboard provides details on the new bookings created in a specific property during a selected time period or date range. For example, let's select all bookings made in the last calendar week. The table on the top left displays the new bookings created during that week along with the totals. The same information is then displayed on the bar chart. And on the table below, the details of the new bookings are displayed, including the reservation number, the created and consumption dates, the spaces booked, the associated travel agency, and the origin of the reservation. As with other dashboards, you can use a filter to further slice the data. The Pickup Report is a great tool that can assist you with your forecasting and where you can monitor your revenue strategies and discover new areas where to improve your business performance. Thank you for watching.